Number 6. Put off making a decision. It means to delay or postpone making a decision.
We had to put off making a decision until tomorrow. We had to put off making a decision until tomorrow. He always puts off deciding on important matters. He always puts off deciding on important matters. Don't put off making a decision for too long. Don't put off making a decision for too long.
Number 7. Rain heavily. It means to rain a lot, usually at a fast rate.
It began to rain heavily during our picnic. It began to rain heavily during our picnic. When it rains heavily, the streets flood quickly. When it rains heavily, the streets flood quickly. She forgot her umbrella and it rained heavily. She forgot her umbrella and it rained heavily.
Number 8. Raise cattle. It means to breed and care for cows for agricultural purposes.
His family has raised cattle for generations. His family has raised cattle for generations. Many farmers in this area raise cattle. Many farmers in this area raise cattle. They bought land specifically to raise cattle. They bought land specifically to raise cattle.
Number 9. Raise children. It means to bring up children from infancy through to adulthood.
It's challenging but rewarding to raise children. It's challenging but rewarding to raise children. They moved to the suburbs to raise children. They moved to the suburbs to raise children. She's devoted her life to raising her children. She's devoted her life to raising her children.
Number 10. Raise a family. It means to bring up a family, especially in a particular place or way.
They hope to raise a family in the countryside. They hope to raise a family in the countryside. Raising a family requires patience and love. Raising a family requires patience and love. She plans to raise a family soon. She plans to raise a family soon.